Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, and first we have to get application to transfer data. So let's move to the Play Store and type on the search pool. Type Send Anywhere. We are going to use this application to transfer. We have to get it on both smartphones, but at the first we are going to download and install on our Xiaomi. Let's open, and right now we have to accept all the permissions and terms and privacy stuff that we have to. So click here, tap confirm, click continue, click allow, and as you can see we are in this application. That's how it looks, and we can transfer photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts, and also other files. So we have to move on the Xiaomi on the receive, and let's go for the second Android smartphone, and here we can open this application. And right now I think that we are going to send maybe only a few photos because it's only an example of the transfer. So I'll go here and I can send maybe these few photos. Of course, if you want to send other files, you have to go right here and then select this file also. But let's focus on this one. If you select everything, you have to click right here on the send. Then we have to input this key right here in this pool. So click and then input. Click receive. And right now we can go for the gallery or the file manager. And I think that here we will be able to find all the stuff that we sent, and the folder is called Send Anywhere, and here we got the files that we sent from this Android phone to our Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!